Okay, on this lovely day today, but wind's a bit chilly, I have cooked a midweek curry. And I have done a chicken jalfrezi. And in here, 4 chicken breasts, which have been marinating in cumin, cinnamon and turmeric. And then I've blended up tomatoes and onion and garlic. Mixed it all together, added some red pepper, and it's been cooking out for about 2 hours. So that's that, and we're going to have that with some lovely naan bread and some yogurt. And to finish with, I have made an apple tartane. And I'm just going to put some butter on them. So that's it for today, and I'll see you all soon. Cheers.